It's almost summer but still wet and cool. Join me here at the garden for a short update. Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. We're beauties away to summer and we'll give you a short tour. How is it here at the garden? Look, in front of me are the survivors, the roses. I would call them survivors because they're the only flowers that survive the wet winter. And the slugs, I'll share you the sad stories. But first, I think the good news, I beautified the porch here. Look at these beautiful animals. Nice, huh? Look at this watering system. I don't have to come here every day to water this. They automatically siphon water from this bottle. I'll show you the developments here. If you notice, even until now, these trees, this bush did not recover. This is still sleeping. I think it got drowned. This is dead. I replaced it with a new one. Which is it? Here, this was the replacement. It also died. It also died. This, I don't know if it died. I hope it recovers. Everything here dying because of extreme wet weather. And if you remember, we had this bed of flowers. They also died, they didn't come back. I replaced them. The replacement died also. And those few that survived, they were eaten by the slugs. Not very encouraging. These are wildflowers and they survive. I'm happy with this. This will be covered by bright orange, yellow and orange later. If you remember the plan of building a new gate here, I think this will be a success. I already sowed grass and they're coming. Thanks to the regular rain, these sprouted and they're growing. I'm not yet sure what to plant here. I'm thinking of making another arch like that, or and have roses climb the arch. So is it rose or just simple climbing vines, or simple vines I should say. All vines climbed. But the biggest tree, consolation, are these roses. There's another thing to show here. Careful, careful. Just stay there. This is what I call the annual part of the garden. These are annuals. Look, I planted, what are these? Cherry and plum. A replacement also. I replaced it with something that died here. I think it's also dying. I hope not. Bananas. There were bananas here. They also died, so a replacement. I'll show you what's inside the greenhouse. These are new acquisitions. I bought them just today. I'm not able to plant them because it's raining. And my successful, hopefully, ampalayas, they're beginning to flower. I hope we'll be enjoying ampalaya stir fries this year. Also here, I'll show you, our Chinese mustard, mustasa. First time, I planted them for the first time this year. These are beans, bush beans. They seem okay inside the glass house or the greenhouse. Oi, 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 what's this? Let's fix that later. I said lots of seedlings here, ornamentals and vegetables. I'm delaying planting them outside because of the weather. Let me show you this also. Taro leaves. Oh, taro, I should say. Hoping to enjoy taro leaves in coconut oil or in coconut milk this year. Let's go outside. I've got more beans here. These sprouting beans. Let's see if the tribe inside this smaller greenhouse, green doghouse. And in this area, the corn. But my most successful, I'd say, are these brassicas. These are sprouting broccoli, special because it continuously produces flowers. Instead of harvesting it one time, it's a continuous harvest. There's not much to do outside in the garden. That's why I amuse myself with some architectural enrichment of the shed. Look at this latest addition. And let's go inside. I'll show you the rest of the decor. The garden shed is now becoming almost a house. I'll show you. Welcome inside. Welcome. This is the latest. Look. Thanks to my neighbor who gave them to me. And this is, I now have a shelf for my stuff, for the camera stand, for the flower vases. And look, I have now a heater, so even in the winter I can have a cozy day or evening inside the shed. And the Monet, a copy of a Monet. That's Monet's garden in northern France. And I'll show you the latest as well. This is what I inaugurated with Tambong Tambong. This is the newest addition to the kitchen. Right? Cabinetry in there, and new cabinets also, hanging cabinets. Okay. In addition to that, I have this. It's not provision with party needs. I think I'll bring this home. I'll bring this home for tonight. Yeah. And from here we have a good access to this part of the shed or to the garden. This was built to be chest to bed, but that never happened. There's always something to do here at the garden. And I devised this. It's now a table. The old kitchen, the old sink serves as a potting table or a potting sink. It's beginning to rain. I think I've shown you more than enough updates at the garden. Thank you for joining me here today, and I'd like to have you again next time as we bring you more about growing, cooking, and sharing. Thank you.